That was kind of cute. It was a dog that's just jumped on me. And I take that as a sign as play, have fun, enjoy yourself. Life is about freedom. And that's why I choose not to wear my shoes, because it's actually really healthy. And yeah, I'm out in the nature now because I'm gonna find some chicken of the woods, because I made tacos last night with chicken straight from the woods, and it was actually really good. And I still have leftovers with tortillas and veggies, so I was gonna go back to find some more chicken, because the rule is just take what you need and leave the rest for someone else. So literally take one portion, one meal, and you'll be happy. And if you need some more, you'll go back another time, just like I'm doing now. And it was a test, you know. I tested it yesterday and I saw, is this edible? Is it possible to eat? And it was. So I'm pretty happy about that. And yeah, dog. Hey, come. This is chicken of the woods. Natural chicken. It's fallen, but it's still alive. That's what's up. Go, dog. Can you spot the chicken? Ooh la la. Ooh. Fallen tree, baby. Here we got some beautiful chicken. And we got loads of chicken up here. So here it's a lot of food. Beauty is, if I need food the next day and I want to keep it cheap, I go here, get some chicken. So yeah. I hope you can see me. Just gonna take some chicken here. Got a good piece. Got another one. Got some goat juice. All right, there we go. Handful for lunch. Pack it in, some leaves. So it's protected. And yeah, it has this taste, kind of funny, but it's good. This goes down in my bag. Thank you, beautiful tree, for giving us chicken of the woods. I'm excited to go home, cook up some tacos. I'm gonna get some cheese. And we got lunch, you know. It's a blessing. I have some veggies that I picked up on the market yesterday. They have really cheap veggies here because I'm in Poland, Poznan, if you didn't know. And they have these fruit markets and vegetable markets, and it's literally straight from the farmers, which is the best quality you can get, because most likely 100% it's organic, and that's the fruit and vegetables you really want to eat. If you can, skip the middleman, skip the store and go straight to the farmers, because some places it's really expensive and that sucks. But if you can afford it, it's recommended. And some places it's cheaper to go to the farmers and the people that sell fruit and veggies outside, and most likely it's definitely straight from the trees, you know. And that's why I recommend doing that to everyone that can. Support people that provide the world with fresh veggies. And yeah, that's where I want to give my money, to people that actually do something productive and beautiful with their time. Growing plants and taking care of nature is... And if you're still watching, I do appreciate you, because you decided to invest in me, in time, and giving me some minutes to tell you how I live my life and what I'm doing, which is beautiful. And I just want to say I appreciate you, because you came this far in life, which is not for granted. It's about appreciating life every day, and remembering that we walk this earth for those who can no longer walk. So being an example for all beings, the dead and the alive, is beauty. As I'm walking to my chicken tree, it's right there. That's the chicken tree. So when I was busy talking about life, I took a little detour. The tree is over there. I remember now. Chicken of the woods.